Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to The Real DECOY, the ultimate challenge to read between the lines. Let's get to know the contestants. All right, contestants, are you ready?
Yes. Dining.
Right, you've chosen dining. Listen carefully. Slurping loudly is a compliment to the chef in Japan. What is fried carrot cake in Singapore made of?
Sometimes you will have some oysters, egg.
Yeah, it can be there.
Yeah, some flour.
The answer is incorrect. Let us now move to the penalty round. Look at the screen. There's numbers 1 to 4. Pick a number.
4.
And number 4 is Tabasco sauce.
Wonderful. Spice my life up.
Okay,
This is a sauce. We have.
Cheers.
It's not sure.
cheers.
Wonderful.
Well, right now it's 1 for engineering and 0 for hospitality and business. Now, engineering, it's your turn to select your category.
Electricity.
Electricity? Okay, listen carefully. A large electric eel can deliver a shock of up to 600 volts. If an electric train is traveling south and the wind is blowing north, which direction is the smoke blown towards?
There's no smoke. Because it's an electric train.
Awesome!
Very good.
Okay. That's 2 points for engineering and 0 currently for hospitality and business. Not to worry, hospitality and business, you get to choose your category right now. The category is capital. Bogota is the capital of Colombia. Other than the caps button on the keyboard, what is the other button you can press and hold to create capital letters?
It's the shift.
Shift button.
Yeah, shift.
Shift? You are right! That's the correct answer. The answer is shift button. The current score right now is 2 for engineering and 1 for team hospitality and business. Team engineering, you get to go next, select a category, and if you answer this correctly, you will be the winner of this game. And what would the category be for you?
Aerodynamics.
The 4 forces applied are lift, thrust, drag, and weight. Why do competitive swimmers shave their armpits?
To reduce water drag.
That is correct! Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner! Congratulations, Team Engineering! It's a pity that Team Engineering has not had their penalty shot yet, right? Let's make sure that they get their penalty shot too. And you get wasabi in soy sauce.
Including now, right?
Yes. And that brings us to the end of the game show. Till the next time, remember to read between the lines.